This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. Police in Jackson County are investigating after a body was found near a road Wednesday morning. Investigators tell Fox 47 a man's body was found just off the entrance into Hillcrest Memorial Park, just off North Elm Avenue, just after 3 a.m. A medical examiner at the scene tells Fox 47 there were enough car parts found at the scene that could fill a small bag. One of those car parts was a broken-off mirror from a vehicle. Police have taken those items found near the body as evidence in the man's death. Several faculty members at Michigan State University want to ban sexual relationships between teachers and students. Associate Professor Mark Waddell is among those asking the University Council to recommend policy changes to prohibit romantic and sexual relationships between faculty or academic staff and undergraduate students. Waddell told the Lansing State Journal that the existing policy lacks clarity to protect students from predatory relationships. As he said, "As a community, I think we have a much clearer sense of the possibilities of coercive relationships, what consent means. Unvaccinated children in certain zip codes are now required to receive the measles, mumps, rubella vaccination, and anyone who has been in contact with someone infected also has to prove that they've been vaccinated or pay a $1,000 fine. The outbreak of the highly contagious virus is growing by the week, including here in Michigan. Although 40 of the confirmed cases are on the east side of the state, a new case has popped up next door to Jackson County in Washtenaw County. With measles and other diseases slowly creeping their way across the state, doctors here are on the alert. Some are even telling parents to vaccinate their kids or find a new doctor. We have to come up with a new policy in our group that we will not accept any new patients whose parents are not going to vaccinate their children," said pediatrician Dr. Kenneth Stringer. The city of Jackson is asking for the federal government to approve more funding aimed at keeping people safe from lead-based paint. During a meeting Tuesday night, council members voted to increase the amount of money that's spent on each housing unit to control lead paint hazards. The city says the money is needed because reduction efforts are proving to be more expensive than the limits set in the grant. The funding hike needs to be approved by the federal government. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.